Hello, hello, Tatum here. Welcome back. Today's workout is simply abs. 10 minutes long. Let's get to it. All right, I'm calling this simply abs because this is what it is. 10 minutes of ab work. You can add to a workout if you want or fit it in before a run or after a run. So let's get started today with our timer at 30 seconds each exercise, all right? We have 3 rounds today. We're gonna lay back here. We're gonna do a little circle crunch. All right, and when you get back to the beginning here, you're gonna bring it the opposite direction, alternating your directions, making sure that you actually lift those shoulders and upper back off the floor without pulling on the neck. So my hands are lightly cradling my head, but I'm not pulling. I have my elbows back. I really focus on keeping my elbows back so I don't have that tendency to pull on the neck. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna go ab plank today. All right, here we go. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing today, and I'll show you a modification. All right, so same side tuck here. All right, trying to keep that toe off the ground. If you need to put it down a little bit to get there, that's okay, but I really want you to try to keep it off the ground. If not, up high, same thing, trying to just tap those elbows, or same side, elbow to knee, okay? Let's keep moving through this. 30 seconds. And we're going back. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Good. All right, here. We're going to do a little bit of a knee tuck, but we're going to take it side to side, okay? So here we go. Tuck in each side. Just a little bit of a twist here. All right. If that's too much today, take it here and just work and pulling in straight on, okay? Otherwise, side to side, do your best. Again, 30 seconds each of these. We'll have a few seconds in between to transition and rest. 3 rounds. 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. This is the last one in our circuit here. We're gonna do a side plank hip dip. All right, modified version is with bent knees lifting up and down, or here with me, up and down, okay? Stacked feet, elbow under shoulder, really lift those hips. Tap down, lift up as high as you can. Down and up. Good. You got it. We're gonna go 30 seconds each side. Make sure that the shoulder and your body is facing up towards that ceiling, that you're not rolling into it forward, okay? Stay up and down. That's rest. Good work. Other side, same thing. And we're back to the beginning. Elbow under shoulder, bent knees, or straight legs. Here we go. Tap down and lift. Really push up towards that ceiling. Good work. Trying to keep my hips in line, between my head and my feet, not rolling back or forward into this. You got it. 5 seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Rest. All right, we're back to those circle crunches, all right? Again, trying to keep the elbows back and lifting with the shoulders, not pulling in on the neck. 3, 2, and 1. Circle around. Come back to the start. Reverse it. All the way up and around. Good. Nice work. A little slide. Slide over, lift up and around. Make sure to get those shoulders off the floor. All right, it's not a slide where I'm just pulling on my neck and my neck is doing all this movement. My neck is really staying in line with my spine, and the movement is coming in my shoulders and core here, okay? All right, that's rest. We have that same side plank tuck here, either from a high position, tapping knee to elbow, or low. Here we go. And if this is too much, just do a mountain climber today, okay? Figure out what you can do here to keep moving with us today. Feel I'm sticking to the mat today. All right, good work. It's not even all that hot today. Not like it's been. All right, here we go. We're gonna do this V-sit with a little tuck, and we're gonna alternate side to side. 30 seconds, here you go. Let's work. Pull it in. You got it. Do as many as you can. I know this starts to burn a little bit. Try to work through it as long as you're not having any pain. Okay? That burn just can be, it's mind over matter when it comes to the burn. Pain is something different. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, good work. All right, side plank hip dips. Here we go. Pick a side, bent knees or legs out. Here we go. Dip and lift, dip and lift, good. Don't shorten that dip, okay? Sometimes we dip and we just come up a little bit. I want you to really push up, extend up. Try to reach as high as you can through those hips. Good. 10 seconds here. Feel my bottom slipping out. Try to stay in line here. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Other side. If it helps, you can put your arm in the air if that helps you gauge whether you're rolling forward or not, okay? If you don't have a mirror there to check out where you are. Elbow under shoulder, we're moving. Here we go. Take your arm up if you want so that you make sure you're not rotating forward or back. You got it. Dip and lift. Really extend up, good, and down. Nice work. 10 seconds. And then we have one more round. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Rest. And again, this is a short 10 minutes. You could work this in any time of the day. Trying to shorten them up a little bit for you. Here we go. Circle crunch all the way around. And all the way back up and around the other side. Good. Lift and rotate. Make sure you have a good lift in there. Good work. Up and around. Elbows back. Keep that chin back and not tucked in towards the belly or the chest. There you go. Good work. All right, so that same side, tuck in the plank, either high or low, okay? Low's gonna be a little tougher. Here we go. Reach that elbow to knee. Tuck. Usually you do a crossover, right? Bird dog crossover. Here we're trying same side. A lot of balance. So a lot more activation of the core here. 3, 2, and 1. Whew, rest. Good work. All right, these are seated knee tucks here. Oblique tucks. So we're gonna pull in towards the side here. Back and forth. And exhale. Good, just helps you contract those abs. Good. Side to side. Five seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, good work. Side planks are next. This is our last one today. Each side, 30 seconds. Kneeling or on with your legs straight. I would recommend if you can do a few of these with your legs straight, don't just start with the other because you can't make it the full 30 seconds. Do as many as you can here, then modify. All right, same with your weights. Just start a little bit heavier. See what you can do. If you can do it with good form, and then modify as you go. You might surprise yourself. You might think that you can't go this full 30 seconds with your legs straight, and you give it a try and you're there. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. All right, other side. Here we go. Elbow under shoulder. Feet out or knees bent. Last one today. So I kept it 10 minutes today for you. If you want a little bit more, go ahead. You've got this memorized. It's 4 exercises, set a little timer. Repeat this with me one more time by rewinding, okay? Good work. Lift, dip and lift. Really push up. 3, 2, and 1. All right, good work today. That was your 10-minute Simply Ab workout today. My quote is, you don't need to be perfect, just be better than you were yesterday. And the reason I chose this one is because a lot of times when we get focused on abs, it's because we want that perfect ab in midsection, right? And so I have a hard time going there with a lot of this stuff because it's so much more than just doing your crunches every day. It's how you're fueling your body. So make sure to try to choose whole foods whenever you can, rather than something packaged or processed, okay? Just start there. Just start by cooking. Start by adding your vegetables and fruits back in, okay? Get away from those bars and things that are packaged at this point. So there's so much more to that, and cardio and other things that you need to do, but for a good core strength, in order to get better at the rest of your strength and then to see results from your squats, from your push-ups, we do need a strong midsection. So this is great work as well. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're bringing workouts to you every day. Have a great day.